So usually, if you come here in the morning, punong-puno tong alley na to ng mga turista kasi naman yung mga pinagbebenta dito is are all touristy stuff na medyo overpriced. Hindi, again, medyo. Hindi siya medyo. It's overpriced really. So it's just good to go here. Parang hindi parang. Ang lively pa rin ng atmosphere. Ayun, so hindi ko pa nakikita yon na yung Sensoji Temple na lit up ng gabi. So, it's good to try. Ang ganda ng ilaw dito, diba? Mabilis lang tayo dito kasi may curfew sa Cinderella. Kailangan before 12 bumabiyahe na tayo from Asakusa back to Nippori. Nippori or Nippori, I don't care. Yan, diba? Punong-puno yan pag umaga. Saan ba ako nakatingin? Punong-puno yan pag umaga. But right now it's anong oras na ba? 9 o'clock p.m. Ang ganda. You're free to roam. Hindi naman ako bibili. Wala naman akong balak bumili ng touristy stuff dito. Puro mga ano to mga souvenirs. Siguro ako, if there's one thing I would want to buy na I regret not buying before is yung Cremia ice cream dito. But I can buy that somewhere else. Siguro tatry ko mag Cremia ice cream in front of Mount Fuji. Why not, diba? So, let's see. Lamig. The last time I went here, naka-costume. Hindi naman costume. Yeah, it really is a national costume ng nakakimono, not a costume. Nakakimono, of course, with respect to the Japanese culture. Lamig. So lamig. Tonight pala, it's 18, no. Mali yan. Tonight, it's 12 degrees here in Tokyo. Medyo nakakangawit to, ha? I'm happy. Huwag na yung mag-record ng ibang tao for their privacy. Dito tayo sa gilid. So I'm arriving at Sensoji Temple.
Dochi ka na? Kalau kan dapetnya best hotel gitu.
Wow, it really does look good. I don't know if my camera is giving justice. Whoa, vlogger. Pero ang ganda. Plus, na walang masyadong tao. Hindi ka mag-aalalang mawalan ng gamit. Because the last time I went here, nawalan ako ng payong. Imagine, of all places na mawalan ako ng payong, sa Japan pa. But look at that. Picture perfect. Ayun, so hindi pala nagre-record, diba? So I tried drawing the Omikuji here at Asakusa Temple. Yung ganito. Tapos, I was telling kanina na instead of just the Japanese or characters or kanji ba yung tawag doon, meron ng number. So, I draw mine. Kaso, bad fortune. Sabi niya dito, although you're in a hurry, there will be no boat to cross the river. Hindi naman kayo mamadali. If you dare to sail, the boat will be swallowed by high waves. You can't go ahead and should go back to your homeland. Kadadating ko lang dito, babalik na ako. When you get home, you will not meet any crisis and you'll mind be at peace. Okay. Sabi niya dito, when you draw a bad fortune, please do not hurry. I will not hurry. Type on the hanger and drop bad fortune off here. Yes, definitely. I will drop bad fortune off here. Itupiin natin siya ganyan. I will have good fortune. I'm manifesting good fortune for 2026. Life is good. Life is good. Life is abundant. Hindi mo kasi mapapansin kapag napakadami ng tao. Yung ganda ng pagkakagawa dun sa temple. Ngayon dahil naiilawan siya at walang masyadong tao, your attention is on the building. Ang ganda. So tomorrow I also plan to visit Meiji Jingu as part of a New Year tradition. Dito ko kumuha before ng Umamori. This is the one that I got for business success. Ito oh. If you'll ask me if it's effective, syempre, kailangan sipag din. Tsaka dapat magaling ka sa work. Pero wala namang mawawala eh. And it's just, what, 1,000 yen. So good. I still have that, and I will go for a couple of umamoris in Meiji Jingu Shrine tomorrow. So, try na natin yung ganitong video. I don't know kung kuha ako sa frame, pero hopefully, kuha ako sa frame. Dogs. Yan, mas maganda pumunta ng Asakusa talaga. Sensoji Temple rather. Kapag gabi. Well, tingnan mo, walang tao. Sorry, I mean, walang crowd. Tama ba sinabi ko? Mayroong crowd. Pero walang big crowd. Alam ko na, siguro kaya ako hinihingi kasi ang lamig-lamig na adjust ko yung katawan ko. Mga chat GPT nga mamaya ako. Expected ito. Siyempre, mas maganda pa rin makita niyo ng umaga. Pero, maganda din naman siya ng gabi. And it's peaceful. More peaceful.